Wow. They can show this to your insurance company.
Did you tell them there was oxygen in use?
No.
Because there's this house and a neighbor on the other side of our...
It's more than 25 feet away.
Okay. Like 2 houses down, they got oxygen too, so... Feels like that. Yeah, we got out in time. Your mama would have grabbed her before.
Hey, I need you to come.
Your mom would grab quick on the ball.
The truck is open flame. It's on fire. Yeah. I'm on 54th and A over by the school. Okay. Alright. Grab us, come on, honey.
Do you have the phone number for her school, or do you want me to look it up for you? Or?